Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to be going over a question I get asked all the time. And the question is, Chase, what type of account should I switch to? Should I stay a personal account or should I switch to a business account on TikTok? And choosing the right account is honestly one of the most important things you can do because it depends on which path that you're going to be taking with your actual TikTok account. Are you going the business route as a brand, or are you going to be staying on the personal route where you can actually use trending sounds? And if you don't choose the right account from the start, then it can ultimately depend on what type of access you have to certain tools and features. But today we're going to make sure you don't make the mistake of choosing the wrong account and what to do and which account you should actually use. So let's go ahead and get into this. Hey y'all, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell, and there are two types of TikTok accounts that you can actually create. One is actually a personal account, which when you actually sign up on TikTok, that's the first account that you start with. The other is actually a business account, and you can switch over to a business account from a personal one from your TikTok page. And a TikTok personal account is an account that you create now. Moving forward, whenever you actually sign up on TikTok, you're going to start out with a personal account. And it's actually formerly known as a creator account. And most people actually used to switch between creator and business account, but now you just have the option of either being a personal or actual business one. They've entirely rolled out the idea of calling it a creator account, so everybody's a personal one from now. So if you were once a creator account, that just means your personal account now. And if you're a personal account, there's no way to switch to a creator account because you already have it. So now that we cleared the air on that, there's a few things that you can actually know about personal accounts that are different from the actual business one. The first thing is you can actually use trending sounds. This means that it's actually, music that might be copyrighted for commercial use, you're able to use because it's a personal profile. And the benefits of this are whenever you're posting videos, you get to use any trending sound you see on your actual feed. You can use, trending artists. You can use artists that are known in the space. This can ultimately allow you to get more views and reach a larger audience because you have the capability of reaching different individuals through, sounds and trending artists that, a business account doesn't necessarily have access to. And another thing is about the actual personal account, you can apply for the Creator Fund. And the Creator Fund is if you have 10K plus followers or 100,000 plus views, and you essentially are posting original content as a creator, having a personal account, you can sign up for the fund and get paid to make TikTok videos. And this is great because if you're an actual influencer, a personal account is going to be great for you because this allows you to actually, make money from making posts. But not only that, you potentially have the opportunity to, move into the Creator Next feature, which is just having a simple 1K plus views and the last 30 days. And that essentially allows you to access more monetization tools where you can go live, receive tips, get gifts from your actual audience. You can join the Creator Fund and you can really access the Creator Marketplace, which we've done a video on the Creator Marketplace, and it's where brands are able to pay creators to make videos for them. So you can literally be getting paid to post on TikTok. So if you're an influencer and you're wanting to really focus on account growth and really get to that next big following, then really having a personal account is going to be totally fine. It's going to allow you to have all the resources and analytics and tools that you need to be able to do so. And as a personal account, it is a creator account now. So if you are a business account, you can simply switch to a personal account and you'll see something very similar. You'll have the same analytic access. And essentially what you can do is click on Creator Next. You can join the actual program and access those features. And as a TikTok business account, you have access to the actual page analytics and the commercial music library, which is royalty free. So if you plan on running ads as a business or brand, or if you're a large organization, a business account is going to make the most sense for you because essentially you're able to, use the music that's royalty free. And I can definitely assure you, you're not going to be limited by the amount of reach you get. We have a business account, we use it. I'm a creator, we're making content, and literally we're a business account because we're also running ads. And I can certainly assure you, we're getting consistent view volume. We're maintaining, 10 to 100,000, upwards of 1 million views per video pretty consistently. And we don't have access to all the library of music. And we're able to use, content that is entirely royalty free and be able to achieve, the same results, if not better than actual personal accounts. And that just goes to show that even if you don't have access to certain trending sounds, doesn't mean you're not gonna have success on the actual platform. So really a business account is good for, using it if you're going to have, actual ads in your videos, if you're gonna use it for running ads, or if you plan to, remain a brand account and you're not gonna be really doing anything that's, personal or creator related. And to really do this, in order to set up a business account, you can click the menu in the top right-hand corner, you select privacy and settings, you click on manage account, and it'll essentially ask you to switch to a business account. Once you do that, you'll essentially confirm it and you'll get access to a variety of benefits for businesses. You can sign up for the creator marketplace to hire creators to make videos for you. You'll receive customized content and essentially tips revolved around what brands can do to really get results on TikTok. And here's how you switch to a business account. Once you've actually entered into the manage account settings, you can click on switch to business account, and essentially gives you access to exclusive sounds that are royalty free. So that way you still have access to creating content using sounds that could potentially go viral still, even though you might not have the access to the same amount of the large music library that personal accounts have. And just to sum up, the main differences between a TikTok personal and business account, users with a business or personal account have access to the same analytics. You're going to be able to see the same type of actual metrics and engagements as a business or personal account would have. So there's not really a difference at all in the actual analytics tool, but business accounts can only use royalty-free music because essentially, they want to make sure that if you're going to be using an ads, it is commercial free. Otherwise, you're going to have to actually have, a license to actually be able to use music that certain personal accounts can use. And personal accounts can use any trending sound. So if you see something on your feed and you want to favorite that actual sound and use it in a video later on to get a lot of views or engagements, you're totally fine to do that. Personal accounts are allowed to do that, and they have access to the full music library. And really, once you connect your business account to ads, in order to actually switch back to a personal account, if you wanted to, you have to fully disconnect it from the business on TikTok. So essentially, once it's connected on the backend ads manager, you have to manually disconnect it to be able to then go on your phone and switch back to a personal account. And using a business account does not limit reach. That's a false misconception a lot of people have. A personal account might provide more opportunities in terms of what sounds you get to use to go viral, but there's a lot of other factors that actually allow a video to be successful. In fact, we have an actual program where we teach students like Scott who've gone from 0 to 120,000 followers in a matter of just 30 days using our exact strategies on TikTok, and as well as being able to get a lot of results like Abriana, who literally just joined and started to do 12,000 to 17,000 plus views, which is absolutely incredible. And as a business account, you're going to be able to still access the Creator Fund if you already signed up through it as a actual personal account. So if you access Creator Next and you switch to a business, you're still going to have access to those same tools, whether you're a personal or business account at the end of the day. So that essentially breaks down the difference between personal and business account. Personal is essentially a creator account. For all you who remember there being a creator account, that is just now known as personal account. Anybody who is old school and really remembers the word pro account, that is also still just now a personal account. So essentially you have personal and business, and those are two options. If you're a brand that wants to run ads, you should definitely go the business route. If you're a creator and influencer and you're looking to really grow your account rather quickly and be able to access any trending sound and not have limits to what you can actually post, then being a personal account is totally fine. So once again, you should definitely choose between one of these accounts based off these recommendations. And at the end of the day, it's not going to, be the end of the world in terms of getting results on TikTok. Both accounts are going to be successful if you follow the strategies. And one thing to really take note of right now, TikTok's algorithm is absolutely insane. Literally anybody can be joining the actual app for the first time, make a video, and literally see it go viral in a matter of days. It's absolutely an incredible opportunity. We have clients literally selling out their store, getting 30K days, having 100K month, hitting 340K months in less than 60 days time, which is absolutely mind-blowing if you think about it, because other platforms haven't really been able to provide an opportunity like this, where TikTok has really been able to come in and structure it in a way that allows new brands to be discovered extremely quickly. And really we're looking at a 2-year window right now where things are really going to start to ramp up and get really competitive, and now is really the time to be able to see amazing results, take advantage, and be able to have incredible growth with your brand or business. And that's where we really came in to create our TikTok Ads Mastery program, where we actually teach the organic strategies for being able to scale up and hit 100K followers. And not only that, but be able to actually sell out your online store, get a lot of local business leads for your local business, be able to structure ads in a way that are super successful and be able to really scale. We have students that are absolutely crushing it and using these exact strategies. And you can literally see all of these results right here of students that have literally joined and within the first month have seen incredible growth in their actual account and been able to sell a ton of sales on their actual online store. And that's literally the power of TikTok. You can literally spend $0 on actual organic posts and be able to achieve upwards of 1 million views and get tons of actual sales. And this is happening every single day with so many individuals on the platform. So I highly recommend to take advantage of the strategies and check out our actual program. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to DM me the word TikTok and I'm happy to answer them on Instagram at @RealChaseChappell. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and cheers, and bye y'all. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, then I know you're an ambitious learner and you're looking for more. So go ahead and click this video here. I hand selected it for you.